Hello, welcome to Old Trafford. This one I've been excited about. Now we're to kick off, and you can hear the atmosphere building here. I'd like to introduce you to my newest food collection. We got this. It's a Tesco, but it's like on the Tesco thing. And then you've got Matchday badge, as I always try to get one. And one about my favourite United player, Sandro Martinez, who's starting today. He's been out injured for a while, so that'll be good to have him back. I honestly don't think we win today. As much as I'd love us to win, I haven't seen us do so this season, and I don't think we're going to come back to another United game this year. We haven't won while I've been here. It's just Everton. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I'm really hoping to get a win.
Referee on about checking red card for what? For what?
Up again! Shoot! The box!
I'm recording this on the same day as I'm recording the outro from our Vulcan video. So that's why I'm wearing the same clothes in both, as you'll see when this comes out. Like the Vulcan video comes out in a couple of days. It was unacceptable. We can't get beat in a derby like that. We were awful game. And I'll say that we were alright. Should have finished off our chances better. And then we might have at least got a point. Sloppy defending. Martinez shouldn't have got himself sent off at the end. From what no one in the ground could tell what's happening. Nobody. Because Calvert-Lewin made it as though Martinez had kicked his head. But it was a hair pull, whether you agree with it or not. That's your decision. I don't agree with it. I think it's accidental. I don't think he's gone to pull his hair. But that's just my opinion. Fingers crossed we can beat Chelsea in the next game. And it was really gutted after that result. It was devastating. But what'll be, and we have to go on to move on to the next one.